So go to Facebook solution, the developer.app.com, developer.facebook.com. And in the page, at the left hand side, you see the settings page for the given, this is the app COVID-19 Q&A. On the left hand side, we have a settings app, right? When you select the settings app, we got the 4 features, right? Now, one of them is the access tokens we submitted, we are generated. After this, webhooks also, we got the webhook from the Microsoft with the token also. Then there is the third one, which is the AIML workshop, the page. Here on this page, what kind of details we need to listening to. This is the setting which is required to be. We did not enable this one while in the session. So that was the mistake from my side, and that was the reason we did not see. I overlooked somehow. So once with these 4 are being enabled, click save, enable, and click save. And now even the messenger also, it has turned to positive. So it is taking some time to get the results also. It's not coming immediately. Okay, now the exit, we go to Facebook, our page, and go to click on the view as a visitor, and then click on the send a message, right? So now you start engaging. So hi, and you'll start receiving the reply back from the bot itself. So now we are doing the COVID. So like this, you can train and you can completely get the details. Once again, it was a hurry. I did not share the screen. And thank you so much for your patience. I missed it. I did it wrong, right? So please follow this and your bot is going to be available. Thank you very much. Look forward to see you.